Hello everyone, this is day 35 and this is day 12 of my English challenge. And today I have to do my speaking practice with online. So actually today is Saturday, so uh, today is Saturday, so like my father like have a pain, my father has a pain in the thigh, left thigh. So we went to the hospital and like we did x-ray. क्या बोलेंगे उसको, हाँ, we did x-ray and all, so everything is good, so it's just a pain. So like doctor gave some medicine, so everything is good. So actually like my full day was with my father, so I was little busy. So now I have time, so right now time is around 8:15. So now I'm making video. Actually I just came from the my parents house, so I do like my practice first. So I'm doing my practice and just I'm start making this video. So let's switch the camera and I want to show you the practice first. Okay, so here is the day 12 practice, focus, grammar, comparison. So the less, more, adjective. So basically like these are the situation today I have, and I made few sentences and one small paragraph. So here is the result. So almost I can say 95% sentences are correct, and there is some correction in the paragraph. Otherwise like all went good. So this is about the today's practice. Now I have to do speaking practice. Maybe I will make 2 or 3 calls. On the real life English app, we have 4 to 8 minute time limit. So I will try to do maybe 2 to 3 calls. So yeah, I think that's it for today. And I feel little low because like I have some headache. पूरे दिन गाड़ी चलाई आज. So yeah, now it's time to relax and tomorrow will Sunday, so maybe I will take rest. और वो देखते हैं, अगर मन करेगा तो वीडियो बनाएंगे, otherwise we'll take rest. So there is no harm to take rest on Sundays. Like give time to your family and take time to yourself. Enjoy your Hindi, English, whatever movie you like. So this is also a good thing to keep relax yourself. थोड़ा रिलैक्स देना चाहिए अपने आप को. ऑलराइट गाइस, सो बाय बाय फॉर नाउ. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छे लग रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, कमेंट करो, कोई सजेशन हो प्लीज़ सजेशन दीजिए. अगर लाइक इफ़ anyone has a good knowledge about English and they have some good idea about it, so please share it. Like I am very open to learn, I am very open to any feedback. बस सीखते रहिए, करते रहिए. जब तक के लिए बाय बाय. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में. बाय.